Many Tucsonans are living with food and hunger insecurities, but one woman on the east side, well, she continues to make sure no one goes hungry even after moving her community garden across town. KGUN 9's Eastside reporter Jacqueline Aguilar updates us on her free food pantry and the impact it's having on the community.
More than 100,000 of our friends and neighbors in Tucson struggle with food insecurity every year. And with inflation still high, the struggle has only gotten worse in recent years. But one Eastside woman with a green thumb is trying to change that. I met Ashley Altmeyer in March when she lived in the South Side with her community garden.
It started with a few plants for my family.
Altmeyer says she was pushed out of her complex because of the garden, but she's found a new place in town to put down roots.
Keep looking for the yes. You're never going to get anywhere if you accept the no.
She lives in the East Side now with more space for what she's trying to do. All of the food she grows is given away for free.
Found a new apartment that loves the garden, loves the pantry, loves the little free library. They're very supportive of what we're doing. They've offered to let us expand into the laundry rooms on the facility.
With inflation and rising food costs, she only sees the need grow recently. She even added a pantry with other essentials.
We can put out backpacks, we can put out dishes, utensils, free books for kids, hygiene items, whatever things, people in the community need.
Altmeyer's doing things differently this time around with new techniques to keep her garden organic.
Them down into a powder, we sprinkle the eggshells into. I don't water my plants with regular water. So we soak banana peels in the water for 3 days or so at a time, and that creates a potassium syrup. Potassium syrup, and be forewarned, it does not smell nice.
Even in the Arizona heat, she's out here every day because she knows she has neighbors who are in need. Details for how you can reach Altmeyer's community garden or other food resources will be on KGUN9.com. Reporting from the East Side off of Broadway and Kolb, Jacqueline Aguilar, KGUN 9.